static subtraction using small beads frame. My problem is 9,876 minus 5,432. So let's set the frame. Let's start with units. 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's minus units first. 6 units from 2 units. 1, 2. How many is left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 units. 7 units minus 3 units. 1, 2, 3. How many is left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 hundreds minus 4 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many is left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hundreds. 9 thousands minus 5,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many is left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9,876 minus 5,432 is 4,444.